Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want to start by confirming the exact VGA connector on your source and display. Many are DE15. Once confirmed, power off both devices to prevent hot plug issues and plug the VGA cable into the adapter first, then the monitor. Make sure the adapter is fully seated on the source port and hand tighten the retaining screws. Avoid over-torquing. Once the physical connection is secure, power the monitor on before the source so the display can negotiate signals when the computer detects it. You should then handle powered or active adapters carefully. If the adapter requires USB or a separate barrel plug, connect that power now so the converter can initialize. Once powered, set the monitor input to VGA using its on-screen menu and check that it reports an incoming signal. On your computer, open display settings and detect the new monitor. Start with a safe resolution like 1024 x 768 or 1920 x 1080 and adjust refresh rate to match the monitor. You finish by securing cables and confirming image quality. Tighten screws, route cables to prevent strain, and calibrate color or scaling as needed. If you see no signal, first swap the VGA cable, then try the adapter on another monitor or the monitor on another source to isolate the faulty part. Make sure active adapters have power, and if using a digital-only output like HDMI to VGA, choose an active converter rather than a passive dongle. Replacing a passive adapter often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.